Hello everyone, welcome back to our Django REST framework series. In this video, we are going to learn how to filter and search data in your APIs. Just like how you search for books on Amazon or filter YouTube videos by upload date. Just like this. So let's get started. Why filtering and searching? Imagine we have an API that returns all books from our library database. But what if we only want to see books written by a specific author? Or books that contain the word Python in their title. That's where filtering and searching come in. So let's see step by step. For this, first we need to install the package called Django filter. So let's open the terminal and run pim install Django filter. Enter. After installing, here it is installing. Installation is completed. After this, we have to open settings.py file and add these Django filters to the list of installed apps. So open the VS Code. Inside our settings.py, inside the installed app, here wait some time, my cursor is not working. Yes. Now here we add the Django filters, Django filters. This should be underscore, not hyphen and comma. Save this. Now in the same settings.py file, let's enable the filtering and searching in our DRF configuration. So let's see how we can enable. Here is the code. Copy this from here. At the bottom, scroll down a bit and here paste that Django filter backends. Let me replace this comma. It is not replaced. Replace now. Also replace this in closing comma. Control F. Replace. Paste it inside REST framework. Here. Let me comment this. Okay. Now, this tells Django, hey, I want to allow users to search and filter data using URLs. Now, let's update the view. Next, go to your books.py, inside our books app, views.py file and update our views. Inside view, let's update our view here inside our book view set. Let me comment this authent permission classes. After this, we will update the views.py. First, we will import the filters and backend, the Django filter backend. Inside the view, I will paste it here. View set is already imported. Yes, here it is imported. Now, inside the book view set, we will add this filtering and searching. Copy this from here and paste it here. Okay, save this one. Now here, let's break down what each line does. First, a view set model. Inside, it creates a full CRUD API such as create, read, update, or delete. Then here is the query set. It fetches all the books. Then inside this filter backend, it enables both filtering and searching. Then filter set fields, author, publish date. Use this to filter exact match like slash books author equal to John or slash book author title equal to Python. Then search fields, inside it, use this to search using partial keywords like slash book search equal to Python. It's like a magic. You just add a few lines and your API becomes smarter. So let's test the filters using our Postman. Let's open the Postman. Now here, first run the server, Python, manage.py, run server. Here server is running. Now let's filter by the author. Let me open up a new request. Here, slash API slash books slash author equal to first question mark, then author equal to John. With the get request, you will see the record which has the author John. Here you can see the first with ID 1. Here is the author John. Also, in the PHP the series author is John. In ABC author is John. Now let's search by the date. Here question mark published date published underscore date. I will search for this date. Let me copy this. So you will see in the book including this date will be displayed. Let me send a request. Now you can see the date 2025 317 is displayed here. There are 1, 2 and 3 records having the same date. Now if there are matching books, they'll be returned in the response. Okay, so our filtering is working properly. Now let's recap what we had did today. Here is the code explanation. You can read it from here. Now let's recap. We have installed the Django filter. We have added it to installed app. We have updated our DRF settings with a default filter backends. We added filter fields and search fields in our view set. We tested using query parameters like author equal to John, search equal to. Let me give one more example. Search equal to Python. This is the example of searching. We have seen the example for filtering. Now we are looking about searching. Let me search for Python. If I send a request, you will see the book including the title as Python will be displayed. You can see here is the title Python versus Java. Here is the title Python vs PHP. So I have searched for Python. and the results are displayed for Python. This is how the searching and filtering works. Okay. Now we have tested the searching as well as filtering. With just these steps, your API becomes way more powerful and user friendly. So yeah, you now learn how to filter and search data in Django REST framework. That's all for today's lecture. Thank you.